This is Pythagoras theorem. We have two triangles. The first one, we want to prove or to check whether it's a right angle triangle or not. We make use of Pythagoras theorem to check that. So according to Pythagoras theorem, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides if and only if the triangle is a right angle triangle. So we can check that 17 squared is equal to, our 17 is the hypotenuse, is equal to 8 squared plus 15 squared, and our 8 squared is 64, and our 15 squared is 225, and when you add these two, it's 289, and 17 squared is also 289. So your left hand side is equal to right hand side. So this shows that the triangle is indeed a right angled triangle. You could also use Pythagoras theorem to check whether a triangle is an acute angle triangle or an obtuse angled triangle. I have this triangle also, but this time we are told that it's a right angle triangle, but we are asked to find the size of side G. And according to Pythagoras theorem, this is side E and this is side F. So our Pythagoras theorem says G squared is equal to E squared plus F squared. So our G squared is equal to 8 squared plus 6 squared, and then our 8 squared is 60, for our 6 squared is 36, and this is equal to 100. So our G squared is equal to 100, and to find the value of G, we should introduce square roots to both sides, and if we do that, we are left with the square root of 100. I am taking the positive, value only, 10 centimeters, because length can only be positive. Otherwise, if it was not length, this was supposed to be positive or negative, the square root of 100. This is how we use Pythagoras theorem.